Hey guys, Big Diamond here, and welcome back to the second episode of Hexxit. And it's gonna be it's gonna be pretty laggy. And we already found a village, so good. But in the last episode, we actually started our journey, and that went pretty good. But it's gonna be pretty laggy because I am just filming the second episode right after I film the first one, and I'm posting the first one. And Hexxit is pretty big, so it's gonna be laggy. I'm Mr. Blue Villager. Yeah, I know, Blue Villager. They live in these houses. They're like Tinker's Construct guys. I don't know. Or, no, I just broke the window. I'm sorry, Mr. Villager. Is there anything in here? No, not really. Anything in here? Three. No, not flint pickaxe head. We don't have a pickaxe, so I guess that could be useful. But I don't know what the materials are to make a flint pickaxe. Hi, Mr. Blue Villager again. Is there any blacksmith, though? Oh, hi again, Mr. Blue Villager. Oh, wait, no, you're second Blue Villager. And I know you guys might think, oh my god, how do you not think that's cool? I think it's cool, but I've seen them. Alright, so I'm gonna head over to this weird biome thing. It's Battle Tower. Don't think I'm ready to loot that because I have no pickaxe. And that is going to be tough to take out the spawners. So, yeah. And it does have some pretty good rewards. I don't have a pickaxe, which is going to be really hard. Let's actually go this way. Oh, God. Oh. No. 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 No dimensional doors. Okay. Oh yay, yellow chocobos. I love their noises. I think you guys will really enjoy how they sound too. They're pretty cool. It's like it's like wobble 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 wobble. I'll hit one. Yeah. You like that? Hey. Die. I'm just trying to, I'm using my fire axe one so I can get it cooked. See? Cooked chocobo leg. And I hear spiders. And I don't like. What the heck? Where are those spiders coming from? No, I'm just going to ignore it. And see what the stone thing is, and then look at that old house. So yes, there's some pretty cool stuff in Hexxit. Nope, done. Don't want to face any mobs. I am not a chicken. I just am. I'm done with it. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
Oh. I'm filming a video. So, yeah, Zoxo's here with me.
What happened?
I tried to enter this house, right? And you guys, I don't know if you guys heard me, and it was like, and when I tried to enter the house, it was like something breathing.
There's probably just wind like what Minecraft does.
I don't even know. I don't want to know. I don't know, nor do I want to.
Hey, there's horses over there. Oh, what's that?
Sunflowers.
No, not that. I bought that.
Oh my god. Did you guys hear that? I know I heard that. That was creepy. That was creepy. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I don't even know what the heck that was. And like Zoxo said, he's like, that's probably just wind. I don't care what it was. No way I'm going back there. Dude, that's like Slender. That's like Slender at 3 a.m. scary. Did you just make that sound? What the heck? They're hostile? Oh, come on. Horses are hostile. Oh. Oh my god.
Kill that other horse.
Right. God, these freaking creepers. Ow.
Is that an Enderman I saw?
Better not be. Because there's like these ender spawn things, and it's like really annoying.
Go kill those horses.
No, I'm gonna try to snatch one so I can ride it. Oh wait, let's go deep into the snow. There's usually like good castles in here.
Oh, I figured out how to change my biome on my skyblock too. It's now a desert, so it won't rain there. Just letting you know. Why don't you end the video? And then you can show me your skyblock.
Because I just started the video.
Oh.
But well, the first one's down, not downloaded, but uploaded.
Oh, it is right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
So there's a little bit of like chatting with me and Sam, but we're just talking about other stuff.
Check in the blacksmith.
Do you not that's not where I'm going right now? Nothing really. I mean, I guess we can take the other next, more apples.
Take the iron helmet because you could use it. Because you're already wearing an iron helmet. Oh. Did you enchant that or did they?
I found it enchanted.
Oh, that got snowed in. Whoa. What's up with the? Oh, there's chests in all the buildings.
No, there isn't.
Whoa!
Slime pickaxe, wooden pickaxe.
I don't think it.
Iron chisel.
Oh, cool, you didn't see what all those were. I thought that was like a dart or something.
No. Whoa! What the heck? Oh, it was just a glitch. Hi, Mr. Blue Villager.
What? Blue villager?
Mhm.
What is this?
It's Hexxit.
But
I still don't have a pickaxe though.
make one then.
You know, I really don't. I don't care. I'm just not gonna.
Where is it?
Stop. Please do. Stop. Pickaxe.
It's Pickaxe.
What is this? Oh, meteorite.
That's cool.
And
Is it fast? Just show your viewers. Let's see.
right click.
Let's right click it. I think that means this.
Oh, got it. And I got that same one another time.
What does that mean?
I have no idea.
Whoa.
Iron big sword with the dough.
Alright, mine it. I want to see how fast you can mine with the
Alright.
meteorite pickaxe. Mine's not that cobble.
God, no, don't crash. Alright, last time it did that to me, it like froze up for like a minute and then it said Minecraft has crashed. And I didn't lose the world. So yeah, pretty fast. Pretty fast.
Are there any other mobs besides creepers and stuff, or is it like
Yeah, there's liches, which are like horrible.
liches?
There's pirate captains, there's
Pirates?
Mhm.
Show me what a pirate is.
I have to find a ocean and then I have to find a pirate ship. Like the big pirate ship. But wait. Ooh, bro, I think I just found a Snow Jerry's tree. Sam, instead of telling me to end the video, I'm not ending the video once I find like a Snow Jerry's tree. Falling Star, where's it? Alright, I heard it over here. There it is.
What does that do?
I have no idea, it just gives you a lot of levels.
Hurry up and get it.
We make it.
Oh, it killed something.
And I got a star piece. Cool.
That actually sounded super awesome.
No. No.
But you got a diamond
No.
spear.
No. And
Well, what are these potions?
no. Electric grenades.
Are those cool?
Pretty. Or not one.
Got like 9.
And if I'm not mistaken, I was watching Captain Sparkles play Hexxit, and when he found Jerry's tree, he said that there was chests. But first, I think you have to kill Jerry.
Who's Jerry?
The keeper of his tree. It's something in Gmod, Garry's mod.
What's a Jerry's tree look like?
It's a big jungle tree, found in jungles, but sometimes in snow biomes. It can actually be found in any biome. Ow! But it actually doesn't
So laggy.
That's because Hexxit is really laggy, and I'm posting a video at the same time.
Check how long it is until the video's done.
No, it's stupid.
Just go Command Tab. I just want to see how long.
Wait, Command
Tab.
Tab.
No, not to QuickTime. Go to Safari. Okay.
How do I don't. Sam,
I'll do it.
20, about half an hour. Back to Hexxit before I die.
Is that one, Hexxit? What's the other one?
The Hexxit launcher.
Oh, is this the Gary's tree?
Jerry's
tree. Is this it?
It could be.
Check inside. Actually.
Relax.
Oh, and then you have to use your pickaxe.
Yeah.
Pickaxe. Whoa. How did he get there? You could have just crawled in through over there.
Alright. God, it's really laggy.
Sorry.
What the hell's up with this cobblestone?
Your inventory's full already?
It's literally orbiting around me. I'm gonna call this video orbiting cobblestone orbit or something. I don't know. Or let's play Hexxit episode 2. Sam, can you not breathe on me?
It's not breathing on you. Just call it like Let's Play Hexxit episode 2. Spinning cobblestone or like orbiting cobblestone or whatever. Or you call it like the shooting star.
Alright, so
Jump down, I dare you.
I do believe this is not Gary's tree.
You're dead. Aww.
Alright, so I'm gonna end the video off here. I know it's a short episode, but I gotta get back to stuff. You stupid skeleton. Where are you? I'm not dying. I am not dying. Not today.
What are you doing?
Jump! Big sword! Big sword!
It's not doing anything.
God dang it. Die. And don't.
What's the heart? Get the heart first.
Just gives you an extra heart. So, I am Big Diamond, and I will see you guys later.